Hello, my name is Richard from Betterview Software and Services, and in this video I'm going to show you some of my favorite things in the Microsoft Edge web browser that makes my life a whole lot easier, and hopefully yours too. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are with Microsoft Edge already opened. I'm sitting at the google.com as my first page. And up here we have our URL, our address bar, where we type in the websites when they're viewed. We have my favorites shown up here. But I want to talk about this area here, which is the extra buttons that we have. There's a nice little feature I have called Clip to OneNote, which I'll show in another video. There's the extensions management, sharing, which is a fantastic little thing. And this last one is Microsoft Copilot, which is will be the subject of another video. But here I want to turn on a few buttons to make my life a little bit easier. So I'm going to go to this triple dot menu where I have all my options here. I'm going to go down to Settings, and I want to look at Appearance. So from the Appearance setting, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to turn on three things. I want to show you the collections, so I'm going to turn on the Collections button, the Split Screen button, which you can also do with a right-click and menu, and also the Screenshot button. So those are the three things I'm going to show you from here. So as you can see, we now have more buttons, more little buttons up here. There's the Split Screen, there's the Collections, and there's the Screenshots. So let's get started here. We'll close this up. I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to Amazon. So from Amazon, what I want to do is I want to look at, let's say, the new Fire Stick, but I want to compare the features to something else. What I can do, as I scroll down here, where are we here? We have, oh yeah, subscribe. So here's the Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I want to compare this with the Fire Stick that we're looking at. So what I'm going to do is, instead of clicking on this to go to it directly, I'm going to right-click on it. We can open in a new tab, which is the open in a new window, open in an in-private window, but here we've got something different. Open link in split screen window. So we're going to do that. And what we have is we've got the Fire Cube loaded up here in sort of a side window. And on our main window here, we have the Fire Stick TV 4K. So now we've got, we can make comparisons a little bit easier between two things. We can scroll down here and look at the information on the Fire Stick. We can look at the information on the Fire Cube. And so we can visually compare them and see what's going on with it. Now, same thing, this is like a separate web browser. So if I scroll down and I go, oh, what's this one here? Echo Hub. I can tap on that, and it opens us up in this side window as if I have a new web browser. Hovering over the line here, we get a double arrow, so I can change the split on the window to where things are more conveniently seen. And I can turn this off here. As you can see, that's our split screen window, so I can turn that off, turn it on, and go back to where I was before. So that's the split screen. It makes comparing things a whole lot easier, as I said. So we're going to close that for now. And now I'm going to show you collections. Normally, when you're saving a website, you would hit your star here and pick a folder that you want to save your website in. And then, of course, we have our favorites, and we can click to other favorites and go down here and open up what we want. A collection is a collection of bookmarks. So if I was, and again, it can be on Amazon site or anything else. I'm just picking on Amazon this time. So let's say I was looking at, I want to look at the Kindles. So look at the Kindle readers. There they are. Now I'm going to do a little collection here. So I'm going to open up my collections. And I'm going to start a new collection. Oops, don't need that right now. Start a new collection. And I'm going to call it Kindle. And I'm going to add the current page. So now what I have, okay, we're going to open this up here. So now we've bookmarked this, we've pinned it to the side, and we've got the listing of the Kindle readers. So if I say, oh, I like this Kindle reader, really nice, the Paperwhite, I'm going to go into this, open it up. Now I'm going to add the current page to the side. Oh, there's something called the Kindle Scribe. Let's do that. I have the Kindle Scribe. And let's add that current page to the collection. So now you can see, as you can see, we have items in our collection here. And this can be, again, from any website at all. So if I say, oh, Kindle for PC, let's look for that. So here we've got most of these, as I would expect, would be on Amazon. But if I open up a book and say, oh, this is cool, let's bookmark the book. Again, I just have to say add to current page, or add current page, and I've built my list here in collections. So closing the tabs here, we can see again, if I want to open up the Kindle Paperwhite, I just tap on that and it opens up. So it's like a favorites menu in that sense. So we can go open up the collections. I can go to the Kindle Scribe, and there we go. Now, the last part is our screen clip. So I'm going to go over to my home page and close our sidebar. So normally, if I have a page here that I have to scroll down to see the whole thing, if I want to make a note on some of this, I can hit my screen capture button and I can capture what's visible. So now I've just taken a screenshot of that, but I don't have the whole page here. Going over to the screenshot that I've captured, I'll just move that back here. So as you can see, I've got the middle part of my page, but I don't have the whole thing. If I want to document this page and make notes on it, I can use this screenshot button. And now I can capture an area, which would be the same thing as before. So if I do that, I can draw my square around here, let go of it, and copy that. So now I've got that on my clipboard. But if I want to do more and see what the whole page is, outside of printing things out, I can do a screenshot, capture full page, and now I have the entire page captured as a graphic, which I can draw on and mark up, and of course share it, copy it, and save it. So now this is saved. I can open this up in Photo Viewer, and as you can see, there it is, the whole page, from the top to the bottom, and any drawings that I've made. So that's it for today. Trying to keep this at 10 minutes. Have yourself a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.